Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be powerful.
Friends, life gives you only two choices, either run away or run forward. Now it's up to you which direction you want to run in. If you're someone who is weak, someone who gives up easily and backs down out of fear, then go ahead and skip or close this video right now. But if you truly want to change your life, if you have that courage within you, then go find a quiet corner and watch this video with 100% focus, because today, your life is about to change. Friend, if you are ready, drop a comment right now. Today, I'm going to put everything I've learned from my life experiences, more than 200 books, countless courses, articles, and thousands of YouTube videos into this one video. It might be a little long, but I guarantee the return on the time you invest will be incredible. As Gaur Gopal Das says in his book, Life's Amazing Secrets, don't just go through life, grow through life. And the easiest and most effective way to do that is your habits. Yes, by changing your habits, you can change your entire life. I sincerely request you just follow these habits honestly for 21 days without overthinking. Then compare yourself and see how much you've progressed and how much you've changed in just these 21 days. So let's get started. Number 1, wake up early. Build the habit of waking up early. If there's one habit that almost every successful person in the world follows, it's getting out of bed as soon as the alarm goes off the first time. If you wake up at the very first signal of your alarm, make your bed immediately and start working toward making your day great, then trust me, there won't be a single challenge throughout the day that you can't overcome. Waking up early shows how strong your willpower is and how serious you are about your life. How important it is for you to achieve your dreams in life, you already know that. Waking up early means extra time, extra energy, and extra effort, which will always bring you extra results in life. If you struggle with the habit of waking up late, set your alarm just 5 minutes earlier each day. For example, if you wake up at 9 a.m., set tomorrow's alarm for 8:55. The next day for 8:50, then 8:45, and continue like that. Reduce 5 minutes every day, and within a few days, you'll start waking up much earlier than you do now. Number 2, always keep learning something new. Continuous learning is extremely important to achieve your goals. This is a powerful habit found in every great person who becomes a master in their field. Whether it's Mahendra Singh Dhoni in cricket, Shah Rukh Khan in films, or Rafael Nadal in tennis, every successful person keeps learning something new. Whatever new you learn in life will be useful to you at some point. Successful people constantly experiment to achieve their dreams. They want to learn everything about their goals that can bring them closer to success. Even if you learn just one line of knowledge each day, the key point is to make sure you learn something new daily. There is no shortage of knowledge in the world, but stay excited to keep learning about the field in which you want to become the best. You never know, during this journey, you might learn something that takes you to the greatest heights of your life. You can never know everything, so always keep learning. Number 3. Talk less, listen more. God gave humans 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen more and speak less. People who listen more are never at a loss because they always have something new to learn. Speaking less means conserving your energy, avoiding unnecessary conflicts, and not making yourself seem less valuable. Those who speak less and listen more are always at an advantage. When a person talks less, their ability to think becomes stronger. They stay more connected to themselves, and their thoughts become so powerful that they can handle even the toughest situations with ease. A great example of this is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He speaks less, but makes the right decisions at the right time. Number 4, learn to say no. You are not a puppet who has to say yes to everything. You are a unique individual. Your dreams are different, so your way of thinking will also be different. Your destination is different, so your path will be different too. If you don't like something, learn to say no immediately. Losing yourself just to make others happy is not wise, because in the long run, you are the one who suffers. There are billions of people in this world, but your identity is completely unique. You have every right to disagree and say no, especially to things that take you away from your dreams. If you don't feel like hanging out with friends, learn to say no. If you don't want to become an engineer but want to be a creator, say it clearly. I don't want to be an engineer. In the beginning, people may misunderstand you, but in the long run, you will become a stronger person in your own eyes. Number 5, learn to take calculated risks. The biggest risk in this world is not taking any risk at all. If you don't take risks, you're actually taking the risk of staying exactly where you are today. So remove the fear of what will people think from your mind. The people who move forward are the ones who take action despite fear.
People will make fun of you. They'll say your time will be wasted, your money will go to waste. But the truth is, from birth to death, a person only needs 3 basic things: food, clothing, and shelter. And even these are not that hard to obtain. Everything else in your life is extra. Even if you lose it all, you will still make it to the end of your life. But our goal is not to live as an ordinary or fearful person. Our goal is to live like a warrior, facing every challenge, taking thoughtful risks, and doing something valuable that benefits not just you, but others as well. Number 6, understand yourself. How much time do you give to yourself? Do you sit quietly for at least 10 minutes a day and think about what's going on in your life? Where you came from, where you stand right now, and where you want to go? What is your biggest need and your biggest challenge? No one understands you better than you do. Your emotions, your thoughts, only you can truly feel them in their real form. So take at least 10 minutes every day just for yourself. No phone, no books, no people, just you and your thoughts. Talk to yourself. Ask yourself, how are you? What do you really want? This habit will make you stronger from within. Number 7, learn to make decisions and act on them immediately. How many things have you been postponing until now? How many decisions are important, but you keep avoiding them? Like, should you stay in this relationship or not? Should you continue this job or leave it? Which subject should you choose? What career should you pursue? Remember, not making a decision is the biggest mistake. Even a wrong decision is better than no decision. Once you decide, put all your energy into making it right. Successful people keep almost zero gap between making a decision and taking action. The moment you decide, start acting immediately. Number 8, use your time wisely. Time is something that keeps moving forward. You can't stop it and you can't bring it back. You can move with time, but you can't go ahead of it or behind it. Whatever is happening in your life right now, you have to face it. If you don't move with time, you'll be left behind. Remember, those who are sleeping are losing, and those who are awake are moving forward. The clock of our life starts counting down the moment we are born, so don't waste time. Get up and work hard. Number 9, eliminate unnecessary worries and distractions. From morning until now, how many notifications have you received on your phone? If they're not important, turn them off. Delete apps that don't add value. Leave groups that don't benefit you. If you truly want to focus on your work, you must remove all kinds of distractions. Remember, when you remove distractions from your life, your concentration increases automatically. Number 10, spend money wisely. Look around you. How many things have you bought impulsively that are now just lying unused? Whatever you feel like buying something, tell yourself, I'll buy this after 10 days. Most of the time, after 10 days, you'll realize you don't even need it. Save money because it is the result of your or your family's hard work. Invest your money wisely and use the returns from those investments to cover your expenses. That is real intelligence. Earn, save, invest, and then spend. Number 11, stay around positive people and stay away from negativity. It is often said that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your company carefully. If the people around you constantly complain or stay negative, it's better to distance yourself from them. Such people are not happy themselves and don't let others be happy either. You must also protect yourself from negative thinking. Always see a positive version of yourself and ignore negative comments from others. Number 12, develop the habit of writing. Whatever ideas come to your mind, write them down immediately. Write your plans, your dreams, your goals, everything. Keep a journal or start writing notes on your phone. Just like you used to make notes while studying, start making notes for your life. Write where you want to see yourself in the next 5, 10, or 20 years. Write your weaknesses and by when you plan to improve them. Writing gives you clarity. Number 13, stay fit and healthy. Exercise for at least 1 hour every day. It will not only keep you fit, but also boost your confidence. Eat healthy and nutritious food, practice meditation and yoga, and stay away from bad habits. A healthy body holds a healthy mind. Number 14, keep smiling. No one likes to be around someone who is always unhappy. Everyone has their own problems, so no one wants to add more negativity to their life. Always try to stay positive and keep smiling. This doesn't mean fake a smile all the time. It means try to be happy from within. When you smile, you become a source of hope, not just for yourself, but for others as well. So friends, these were 14 simple yet powerful habits that can completely transform your life and help you become the best version of yourself. Now, I want you to tell me the 15th habit. In the comments, what is one habit that should be added to this list? If you've made it this far, don't leave without liking the video. Keep moving forward, keep learning, and keep improving your life. Thank you.